How to add Google Maps in WordPress. So just go ahead and get your domain ready or web. But once it's all set up, just go ahead to your Google Maps and choose the location you want to embed into your WordPress. Then once you've chosen your location, which you can just tap on the map or search for, press on the share button. Once you're there, just go ahead into the embed a map option, and you can choose whatever size you want for the map. So it's gonna look like that once you apply it to your WordPress. So in our case, we're just gonna go for a small. Then once you are satisfied with whatever it looks like, just go ahead and press on copy HTML. Then go back to your WordPress and add your element, which is going to be an HTML element. So you can find it manually, or you can just search for the HTML option. So press on custom HTML, then it's gonna appear here. What you're gonna have to do is just press on edit HTML and paste it in. So once you paste in your HTML, over here on the left, you should be able to see a preview on what that would look like. Then press on update. So that is pretty much how you put or add Google Maps to your WordPress. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.